International Police Agency says Jean-Claude is wanted by Costa Rica for health offences. Agency workers in the UK are set to receive a pay and conditions boost as new rights come into effect. The Agency Workers Directive gives such workers equality with directly employed staff after 12 weeks in a job. The head of the British Army, General Sir Peter Ward, has made a pre-Christmas visit to British forces in Afghanistan to thank them for their work. Lieutenant Colonel Gordon Mackenzie, the task force command spokesman, described how troops based there will be celebrating Christmas.
The forward operation bases are already festooned with holly and tinsel, and there's various pantomimes and other Christmas frolics being fitted into the rather busy battle room, and indeed we'll be having some carol singing and